Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Jennifer. I know you're a bit close up to me. That's just because I am busy creating this lovely birthday look. You know what? I'm a jewel. I'm a pearl, shining like a pearl. You know what the black skin girls say. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're not new yet, you're also welcome. This is a Jennifer channel where I share my beauty tips, review, makeup, whatever, you know. So end of this month, end of September will be my birthday. I will be having official +1 to my age, and you can guess any age literally. So I am happy, I'm grateful to God as of today of creating this look. That will be on the 27th. I created this look. I'm not really going now just because, you know, this is just going to be my birthday look so I can have it on my Instagram and also on my channel. It's a thing that I do like literally maybe every year or so. Try to do a video and look for it on that day, or, you know, before that day. So on my birthday, which falls on a Monday, so literally I'm not going to be wearing makeup on my birthday because I'm going to be having facial massage and a body hot stone massage. So that's a bit of treats to myself. I love brown and I love nude, so I just like wherever any eye look takes me to, I'm gonna do it. So I ended up with these I don't know what to call it, arc shape, like kind of cut crease, but not cut crease, but really I really love the nude and the brown and the black. It's actually beautiful and it's good on my eyelid. And I just had to, you know, just glitter or just make it nice with this pearl just around my eyes, you know. Yeah, and I really love this look. So guys, if you want to see create this look, keep on watching. Hey guys. guys, so if you made it to the end of this video, you are welcome, and I am glad. I hope you learned something along the way, kind of a bit of just the high and the base tutorial. I hope you guys are feeling me on that. Wish me happy birthday below. It's never too late, now or belated, I don't care, but just leave that in the comment below and tell me what you think about this look. I'll be taking lots of pictures today after me right here talking to you guys. I am going to be taking pictures with my new iPhone 11. Ooh, yes, I got the new. So this is a bit of gift that I bought for myself, and I'm really loving it, for having to upgrade from an iPhone 7 to 11. It's a big difference, getting used to Face ID. So I am super excited with this, and it comes with 2 lens, wide angle, something, a normal camera shot, I guess. Okay guys, I will see you next on my video. So take care of yourself and be nice to others. If you don't love yourself, we will. So bye.